Good morning, everyone. So this is the continuation, the article 259. So out, no, 258. The article 258 is abortion practiced by the woman herself or her parents. So this is the penalty operation. Original, it is medium and maximum period shall be imposed upon a woman who shall practice an abortion. So there is one person na naka sa abortion. So it is committed by a woman who shall practice abortion upon herself or conceive. Then it also pregnant woman, either the act with the consent of said woman for the purpose of conceiving and so on. So there are three liable. There are three elements for this article. First element is there is a pregnant woman who suffered abortion. So there is one pregnant woman na nagkakos sa abortion. Nag-suffer of abortion. Second is abortion is intended. Then abortion is caused by the pregnant woman herself and other person with her consent. So, siya kalawang balik lang iyang same with Article 259. Then, there are three liable for this crime. First is pregnant woman, another person, and the last three is her parents. So, that is the three liable of this article. So, let's proceed to the Article 259. The Article 259, abortion practiced by a physician. So, ang panapon niya is a physician, midwife, and dispensing abortives. It is committed by any physician or midwife who, taking advantage of their scientific knowledge or skills, shall cause an abortion or assist in causing the same. It is committed by a pharmacist who, without a proper prescription from a physician, shall dispense any abortive. So, who are liable for this article? No, there are three liable. First is physician, midwife, and the pharmacy. No? Para liable ang physician o ang midwife, the four element must be present. So the first element is there is a pregnant woman who suffered abortion. So same with the Article 258 na nag-suffer siya of abortion. Then the second is abortion is intended. Number three is the offender must be a physician or midwife. So take note that one of the offender is physician or midwife. Then the four is the same physician or midwife take advantage of his or her scientific knowledge or skill. So, this crime, gihimo ni siya para ang usa ka pregnant woman na malaglag ang usa ka bata. So, the third is, ngano man liable ang usa ang pharmacist. Para liable ang pharmacist, the three elements must be present also. So, the first element is there is a pharmacist. So, pharmacist na liable siya. There is no proper prescription from a physician and the offender dispense an abortion. So, that is the liable sa liable ang sa pharmacist. So,